Accuracy. Valuable information must be correct and free from errors. Inaccurate data can lead to poor decisions and costly mistakes. Relevance. The information should directly relate to the subject or decision being considered. Irrelevant data only adds confusion. Completeness. It should include all the necessary facts without leaving out critical details, ensuring the full picture is available. Timeliness. Information needs to be up to date and available when required. Outdated data can lead to wrong conclusions. Understandability. It should be clear, well organized, and easy to interpret by the intended audience. Verifiability. Others should be able to confirm the information through reliable sources or methods, ensuring trustworthiness. Business process versus business system. Many people use business systems and processes interchangeably. While they are related, there is distinct difference between the two. The business system definition. At their most basic, business systems are a series of connected processes that may or may not include technology. They break down into four key pillars: planning, people, processes, because they include the execution of multiple processes and as they mature. Often utilize technology to execute those processes more efficiently and with far less error. Processes definition. At their most basic are a series of documented steps or tasks. Processes like systems may or may not include technology, which can often add to the confusion. Processes are often less complex than systems because they are created to move you to the next process or to achieve a specific outcome. The difference. You may be thinking, so what's the difference? If that's you, great question. The easiest way to tell the difference between business system and processes is by looking at some examples of each. When we're talking about business systems, we're often referencing customer relationship management systems, enterprise resource planning system, quality management system, inventory management system, safety management system, human capital management system, etc. That said, we could also be talking about content creation systems, sales and marketing enablement systems, e-commerce systems, and a host of other systems you may find throughout your business. On the other hand, when we're talking about processes, we're often referencing things like generating an estimate, entering a word order, answering customer phone calls, generating pick tickets, counting inventory, packing orders for shipment, quality inspections, safety audits, creating a piece of content, and a host of other activities that need to be completed throughout your business. The easiest way to understand how they work together is by looking at the individual processes you and your team are executing to see how they fit together to form a more complex system. So for example, let's take the process of taking an order from a customer. Before we take an order, do we need to create an estimate? If so, what's the estimating process and entail? If not, what do we do with the order after we've taken it from the customer? Where does it go next? There are plenty more questions that could be asked, but you can probably already see how the process of taking an order is just part of a larger system that executes multiple individual processes to achieve the larger goal of driving growth for the business. Business systems are a series of connected processes that may or may not include technology. Processes are a series of documented steps or tasks. Examples of business systems: customer relationship management systems, enterprise resource planning systems, quality management systems, inventory management systems, and etc. Examples of processes: generating an estimate, entering a work order, answering customer phone calls, generating pick tickets, counting inventory, packing orders for shipment, quality inspections. The easiest way to understand how they work together but are different is by looking at the individual processes you and your team are executing to see how they are part of a series of processes that form a more complex system. Conclusion: what do you learn about the difference between business process versus business system? So here's business intelligence versus business analytics. Making smart business decisions, identifying problems, and being profitable demands methods and tools that turn data into actionable insights. Business intelligence and business analytics present data management solutions, while business intelligence often use a foundation to answer complex questions. Business analytics is more advanced. The two terms sound similar but serves different purposes. Understanding business intelligence and business analytics is crucial to get the best from your data. What is business intelligence? Business intelligence is an infrastructure comprising strategies and technologies used in industries for collecting and analyzing the existing business data that gives insights into the historical present and predictive events of business operations. Business intelligence gives a comprehensive business metrics to support better decision making. Business intelligence frameworks present current, authentic, and visionary views of commercial operations. They mostly utilize the information gathered in an information stockroom shop and sometimes operational information. Data is the foundation of business intelligence. Data warehouses provide the raw information that business intelligence needs, with large supplies of accurate data to populate dashboards. Business intelligence teams can identify trends and predict new ones, perform statistical analysis, and evaluate ROI. Making data-driven business intelligence decisions is only beneficial for the business with the foundation of a reliable central repository and of information. Is data warehousing part of business intelligence? Usually, data warehousing is a significant part of an overarching BIR architecture. Companies can have data warehouses that gather and store data, then the data warehouses can pass the data to business intelligence software that analyzes the data and makes sense of it. It's possible to have a business intelligence without a data warehouse, but the organization wouldn't have the holistic understanding of trends that come with a comprehensive data warehouse. What is the distinction between business intelligence and business warehouse? A business warehouse is which stores information is distinct from business intelligence, which has more to do with analyzing and interacting with the data to make better business decisions. What is business analytics? Business analytics is the use of strategies and technologies to explore and extract insights and performance from historical business information for successfully driving future business plans, meeting customer needs, and increasing productivity. It works on a new bit of knowledge and provides an understanding of business performance on the basis of information and measurable strategies. Key differences between business intelligence and business analytics. Now that you know the definition of the two terms, let's explore a complete comparison of business intelligence and business analytics. Current circumstances versus future events. The focus on the appearance of events is the primary distinction between business intelligence and business analytics. While BI concentrates on current and past events recorded in the data, BA focuses on mostly on what is more likely to happen in the future. The two practices have different timelines for applying the results while using the same data. When your analysis concerns what is happening now and why, business intelligence is your choice for data management constructively. Business analytics answers the question, what is likely to happen next? Use BI to form strategies for current situation and BA for strategies that would impact future operations. Structured data and semi-structured data. BI applications are more suitable for structured data from enterprise applications like ERP and financial software systems. It helps get insights from past financial transactions. Business analytics application suits both a structured and semi-structured data, transform them into meaningful data before analysis. And then gets insights from that data through predictive analytics. Descriptive and predictive approach. Business intelligence answers the two main questions: what has happened in the past and what is happening now and why. It is descriptive and gives you detailed information. On the other hand, business analytics is mostly about predictive analytics. It identifies patterns in the business data, suggests why things are happening, and forecasts the likelihood of future events. Its goal is to predict future events based on what already occurred. It helps formulate better decisions and be prepared accordingly. Reporting and applying data viewing and reporting is another point of difference between business intelligence and business analytics. BI is simplified and has data arranged into easily comprehensible reports that brief the viewer on what is happening. Interactive dashboards, charts, and easy-to-read reports are commonly used with BI results. Business analytics takes a step further and goes on to reveal why things are happening by employing data applications and statistical analysis. Analysis and managers, when studying business intelligence and business analysis, it is crucial to consider the end users. While BI tools present understandable data to accountants, managers, and marketers, example people without technical expertise, this information helps them make informed business decisions without needing the assistance of a data professional. Business intelligence requires basic math for calculating results, and the rest is done using BI support as software. It relies on the formulation of mathematical models, machine learning, querying, and artificial intelligence for proceedings. Business analytics is a little more demanding. It requires more information to parse and interpret useful information. Thus, it can efficiently be handled by data analysis with an analytics skill set who know how to build machine learning capabilities and have sound software application knowledge. And in conclusion is what you learned about the difference between BA and business analytics. Business analysis and business intelligence serve different but complementary roles in an organization. Business analysis is primarily concerned with understanding business needs and identifying problems and proposing solutions. It focuses on processes, system, and its strategic goals, often acting as a bridge between stakeholders and technical teams. Business analysis work to improve efficiency, implement changes, and ensure that business objectives are met through suitable solutions. On the other hand, business intelligence deals with gathering, processing, and analyzing data to support informed decision making. It is more technical and data driven, relying heavily on tools and technologies to extract insights from large data sets. BI professionals create reports, dashboards, and visualizations to help businesses track performance and stop trends, while business analysis a business analyst often work closely with the stakeholders to define what the business needs. Business intelligence professionals provide the data and insights that help guide those decisions. BA is more focused on what should we do and how, whereas BI focuses on what is happening or has happened and why.